Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I just feel like, you guys, just like anyone else, I don't know what's been going on. I feel like it's something in the air. I don't know, but I haven't been really feeling it lately. And you guys, my face has been breaking out. I'm starting to get cystic acne. Don't know where that came from, but you know, I'm doing what I can to make sure, you know, I get it all situated. And it's like if I get acne on my face, I can't do a video because my videos most of the time require makeup. For now, the amount of videos that I'll be posting, so I'll just be posting every Sunday now. As you guys, if you notice on my community post, I did put that as well. I will just be posting on Sundays now, so you guys can look out for that. You will be getting, you know, more vlogs and of course my content videos. So in this video, you guys, it is sponsored by Labhairs, and they did send me a 5x5 HD Swiss lace wig, undetectable bleached knots. Love bleached knots, especially if I don't have to do them. So they sent me this unit in a 20-inch, and again, it is a body wave unit, and I did decide to go ahead and curl it. So stay tuned, you guys. You guys will be seeing a full install here. And before we jump into the video, I also want to show you guys the boxing on this unit. Now, you guys, the boxing, like everything they put in the box was so beautiful. So you guys, what they sent me in the boxing is the edge band, which is what you use to lay down your lace and also your baby hairs. They also did send me a edge brush, which I really love. Also a dye pen. That is something different. I've never gotten one of those before. They also gave me lashes, and the lashes look really nice. And then they also did provide me with a bonnet. Then you guys, they also provided me with wig caps. So they did give me a lot of accessories in this boxing, which I really appreciate. So thank you, Labhairs, for sending me all of this in my boxing. And I will be using this, of course, because I don't let anything go to waste. And then if I don't use some of the stuff, I do things, you know, for giveaways and stuff like that, which I will be getting into the giveaway. As you guys know, I will be giving away a bundle box, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below if you don't want to wait to comment at the end. Just make sure you comment, and let's go ahead and get into this install.
So the first thing I'm showing you guys is the regular lace, which is the clearer lace. Takes more maintenance to blend. And then this is the glueless lace, which is more beginner friendly and is easier to blend to your hairline. Now, you guys, of course, the wig that I am wearing is again a 5x5. This is a 20-inch unit, and again with the 5x5s, with it also being glueless, it is again beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about trying to glue down your scalp all around the circumference of your head. You would just use any type of glue. This time, you guys, I did run out of my Ghost Bond glue, so I just used my Got To Be glue gel in the hair. It actually, you know, blended in really good. I didn't have to worry about my wig sliding back or anything. So that's what I really love about this unit, because yes, it is glueless. So therefore, you don't have to do so much to get this unit to basically bond to your hairline. So I think I only added maybe 1 or 2 coats, and my hair was fine. It did not move or anything like that. And as you guys can see, it blends so well. As you guys seen, I am using a hair wax stick just to get that bulkiness down. The only maintenance that I had to do with this unit, you guys, was pluck the hairline. I did just do some plucking just to make the hair look more natural, but the knots are bleached and everything, you guys. So all the work is basically done for you, which is better because it makes it, again, even more beginner friendly. I didn't get any type of tangling or shedding with this unit either, you guys. And the best thing about it is a glueless unit, and also the inside has an adjustable strap which secures the wig even more. So you don't have much to worry about with this unit, you guys. Like I said, very beginner friendly. This unit does take heat really well. It is 450 degrees, which is usually what I use to get my curls, you know, nice and tight. So the curls didn't fall the whole day, you guys. I also did layer the hair just a little bit. So this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.
right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this install. So let's just jump right into the giveaway rules. So to win a 5x5, a 20-inch 5x5, a 24-inch, a 26-inch, and a 28-inch bundle. So of course you must be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have your post notification bells on, because that's how you get updated every time I post a video. Definitely, if you have an Instagram, make sure you screenshot it and send it to me. I really appreciate when people send their screenshots to me that they do that they are subscribed to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Comment on your favorite vlog. I know I don't have too many vlogs, you guys, but the vlogs that I do have, just let me know which one was your favorite. The third thing is, how many times did I say I go to yoga? And the hint is, you guys, look at my last 2 vlog videos so you can find the answers to that. And the bonus, which I'm always going to add a bonus to win, which one of my videos went viral. And I will also give you guys a hint. This is the reason why I started doing hair videos. So especially if you've been a loyal subscriber, you already know which video, but which video of mine went viral and was the reason I started doing hair videos. So again, to go over that again, you guys make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have your post notification bells on, send a screenshot, comment on your favorite vlog, how many times did I say I do yoga a week, and then the bonus, which video ended up going viral that made me want to do hair videos. So I will give this about, I would say I'm gonna give this 2 weeks, because I really feel like this bundle box, like this, what I'm giving away, is really nice. And again, you guys, I know how hair can be expensive, so me giving away this bundle box is really special. So I'll give this 2 weeks, and I cannot wait to pick the winner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have your post notification bells on, and I cannot wait again to choose the winner for this giveaway.